go to YouTube, search for videos, then sign up to this tool, then go back to YouTube, click on some video, watch to the end, and collect your earnings. You have to admit, you watch YouTube videos every single day. I do also. But recently I found a way to get paid by simply watching YouTube videos. And you could take a look at some of the payment proof right here. $35 directly to PayPal. And then another $48 directly to PayPal, all in one single day, just watching YouTube videos. This works in all countries around the world, and they also accept different payment options from PayPal, Bitcoin, Web Money, Paytm, AirTM, Payeer, and bank transfer. So if you're ready to make money by simply watching YouTube videos, be sure to watch the full video and follow along step by step. But before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want my #1 recommendation of the best way to make money online, just click the first link in the description below this video. I'm Money Mark, and on this channel I share tips on affiliate marketing, tool reviews, and tutorials to help you build and scale your online business. With that being said, let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you how to get paid from watching YouTube videos. And I'm going to walk you through this process step by step. And step #1 is here on YouTube. Now, just before I show you how you can get paid like this for watching those YouTube videos, there's something that we need to set up first. And that's to come over to YouTube and search for different keywords. So in this case, we're just going to look for a gaming keyword, something that's really popular and trending. And in this case, it's going to be Fortnite. It could also be Minecraft or whatever you could think of for a particular niche. You know, whatever it is that you usually watch on YouTube, but just make sure that it's a popular keyword. So just for example, we're just going to say that you like to watch gaming videos. So we're just going to look for Fortnite. And we're just going to leave it open for now. We're going to get back to this page in a minute. Now, the next thing that you want to do is sign up for a website called shortening.io. Now, this is the website that we're going to use to get paid just for watching these videos on YouTube. And you're going to see exactly how this works. So what you want to do is just go back to shortening.io and create a completely free account. Just go in the upper right corner and click register. But if you're wondering what this actually is, it's a link shortening service. It means that you could grab any link or URL and just paste it here and it will shorten it for you. And whenever someone clicks that shortened link, you'll get paid. And in this case, you'll get paid up to $220 for every 10,000 views, or $22 for every 1,000 clicks, or $2.20 for every 100 clicks. But you will see exactly how this works and exactly how you can make money from watching YouTube videos. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now the reason we're using shortening.io and not any other link shrinking service is because they have a low minimum payout. So you only need to make $5 before you can get paid. So you don't have to wait for a balance of $100 to get paid. You don't have to wait months to get paid. You can actually literally get paid as soon as you have a balance of $5. So you can actually get paid today. And you can cash out using PayPal, Bitcoin, Web Money, Paytm, AirTM, Payeer, and bank transfer. Whatever you prefer, you can select any of these payment options. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on the register button here in the upper right. And you can just create an absolutely free account. So you just want to set up a username, email, password, re-enter your password, check off I'm not a robot, agree to the terms, and then register. And this is how your dashboard is going to look. And this is where you're going to track your earnings. So this will be your total views and your total earnings. So this will show you how much money you actually made from viewing the YouTube videos. And then here on the left-hand side, you'll be able to withdraw your money. And the reason I searched for a Fortnite keyword is because it's really, really popular. I mean, if you look here 20 hours ago, 22,000 views. Let me see, 2 weeks ago, 2.3 million views. 3 days ago, 611,000 views. So a lot of people are really interested in Fortnite and the videos are really fun to watch. So it's really not going to be too hard to make money with this. So the only thing that you really have to do is search for a popular keyword like Fortnite or anything that you enjoy watching that's really, really popular. And in this case, it's going to be Fortnite. So I'm just going to open up one of these videos and I'm going to check this one out. And so what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and watch this video to the end and make sure that it's a good video. So basically you could just kick back, enjoy the videos, And I'm going to show you how shrinkme.io is going to pay you to watch those videos. So just watch the video to the end and make sure it's a good video. And once you see that it's a good one, just go into the browser and copy the link to that video. Then go back to your dashboard on shrinkme.io, go over to your left and click on New Shorten Link. And now you want to paste that link right here and just click Shorten Link. And now shrinkme.io is going to give you this link that's going to take people to this YouTube video. But when people click on this link, you're going to get paid again, and again. And you'll see exactly how this is going to make you money. So now you just want to copy this link. And then you want to go over to a website called forums.pcgamer.com. And this is really the website that's going to set everything on autopilot for you from simply watching YouTube videos. And by using that website, you can get payments every single day just like this. And as you can see, this is payment proof on the website. People are getting paid every single day. So basically forums.pcgamer.com is a forum where gamers come to discuss different types of games. And the reason we're using that forum in particular is because it gets 20 million views every single month. So every single month, about 20 million people are using that website. And if you do the math, that could be a lot of clicks and you could end up getting paid a lot of money from those clicks. And the reason you're only watching popular topics and trending videos on YouTube is so you can get more clicks and you can earn more money. So the more popular videos that you watch, the more money that you can make. So just go back over to forums.pcgamer.com where people discuss all of the different types of games online. And what we're going to do is search for our keyword, which is Fortnite. And as you can see, there are constant and consistent posts about Fortnite on this forum. So a lot of people are really interested in this game. But how can we attract them to click on our link so we can make money from this? How can we get them to click on this link that's going to take them to this video? Basically, you just want to post some type of news or something trending about Fortnite and then put your link to the video below that post. So you could just do something like this. Go over to Google and search for Fortnite news. And you'll find an article that has some type of update or some type of breaking news about Fortnite. And I'm just going to open up this article and I'm just going to copy this. And I'm just going to paste that into a Google Doc. And below the news, like below the article, I'm just going to go over and copy my video title. And I'm going to paste that right below it. And then I'm going to go back to shrinkme.io and I'm going to copy this link and paste that in there. And then I'm just going to copy this entire article and go back over to the forum at PC Gamer and post it in here. So I'll just post it in here where people can see it because they'll be interested in news and updates about Fortnite. So when they read through the article, they'll also look at the bottom here and they'll see the new scar in Fortnite. And that's when they'll click on that link and go over there to watch the video. And that's when I'll get paid. So you could basically get paid again and again. As I showed you, millions of people visit this website monthly. So this really gives you the chance to reach out to hundreds of thousands of people and get thousands of clicks on your post. So just imagine how much money you can make by watching more and more videos and shrinking more and more links and posting more posts on pcgamer.com. So just watch as many popular videos as you can, shrink as many links as you can, and share as many posts as you can to make more and more money. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you build and scale your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.